over the past few months, we've experienced strange things. Things that we wouldn't think would happen. Things that we could never imagine. We're in times of uncertainty, times of doubt, times of struggle, times of worry, times of grief. We have come to the realization that we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. The verse of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala comes to mind, and no soul knows that which it will earn tomorrow, and no soul knows which land it will die in. We have come to the realization, the speech of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, where He said, and the worldly life is but amusement and diversion, but the home of the hereafter is best for them if only they knew. And this world is nothing but diversion, and indeed the home of the hereafter is the eternal life if only they knew. The world, this life, is nothing but amusement. As Allah Rabbul Izzati wal Kiram, He continued and said, they rejoice within the dunya. And what is the life of this world in comparison to the hereafter except enjoyment? Are you satisfied with this world? What is the life of this world in comparison to the hereafter except a little? That which you have will perish, and that which is with Allah Rabbul Izzati wal Kiram will remain.